If you've ever wished for a simple, free way to store, organize, and access your important files from anywhere, without worrying about losing them, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to start using Microsoft OneDrive's free cloud storage. By the end of this video, you'll have all your documents, photos, and notes right at your fingertips, ready whenever you need them across all your devices. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access OneDrive. If you're on the web, just head over to OneDrive.com. You'll sign in with your Microsoft account. That could be an Outlook.com, Hotmail, or even a Live.com email. If you're using Windows, good news, OneDrive is usually built into your system already. Just click the Start menu or check your taskbar for that little blue cloud icon. If you spot it, you're all set. Opening OneDrive might take a moment the first time, especially if Windows needs to set up your folders, so don't worry if you see a little spinning wheel at first. Once you're in, it's time to start adding your files. Think of OneDrive as a giant secure locker that only you can access, and you get 5 gigabytes of space for free. To upload files, you can simply drag and drop them right into the OneDrive web page or the app on your computer. For example, let's say you have a folder of vacation photos on your desktop. Just drag that folder over and like magic, it's uploaded to the cloud. Alternatively, if you prefer clicking buttons, find the plus new button on the web or use the upload option in the app. Both methods let you choose files or whole folders to add. And here, another tip, you don't have to prepare files in advance. Click plus new, and you can create Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations directly in your OneDrive. It's a fantastic way to keep your work in one place, always backed up. Keeping all these files neat and easy to find is where organization comes in. You can create new folders inside OneDrive and even color code them if you like categories. For example, you might have a blue folder for work, a green one for personal photos, and so on. It's like labeling your shelves at home. If you're on Windows, you'll notice something called Files on Demand. This means you'll see all your OneDrive files on your computer, but they don't take up space unless you open them. The icon with the little blue cloud shows that a file is stored in the cloud, ready to download when you need it. It's perfect if you're worried about running out of hard drive space. And with the desktop app, any files you change on your computer get automatically synced to OneDrive, so you'll always have the latest version wherever you log in. Sharing and managing your files is just as straightforward. Want to share a folder of birthday party photos with friends or work on a document with a colleague? Just select the item, choose Share, and send a link. You can even set permissions so others can only view or can also edit. If you need to tidy up, it's as easy as right-clicking and moving items to the trash. They won't take up your precious space anymore. Speaking of space, you might wonder how much you've used. Just click the blue OneDrive icon, open Settings, and under Account you can see your storage status. That way you'll know when it's time to clear out old files or maybe consider upgrading if you need more room. Remember, every Microsoft account gets 5 GB of free storage automatically, and you can access OneDrive through the web or your devices. That means your files are always just a few clicks away, whether you're at your laptop, on your phone, or borrowing a friend's computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next or if you ran into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Your digital life just got a whole lot simpler.